Yes! Team race, let's go! I'm joking. What's up everybody, Jones here, and today I'm going to bring you something different. It might seem a little bit boring to you, but it's interesting to me. Today we went and brought a drone, and it's a very nice drone. Honestly, it's got a couple of nice features, and it's like my first actual proper serious drone. And I did buy, well, it did cost quite some money, but yeah, today we're gonna try and fly it somewhere over the field somewhere and see what it can bring us, and I will show you the drones now. But first, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So here is our very nice drone. If camera focuses. Okay, the camera's not focusing, but here it is, our very nice drone with some red and white propellers, and it's got an all black. And this is the drone. It's got a camera right here, but the camera don't seem to want to focus today. Okay, there's the camera. You can just see a little bit. Oh yes, right there, that's the camera. Here are some wings. Got some nice LEDs here, I'm guessing, underneath, and same on the back, but it's got a nice grid. That's the SD card, which I'm going to put in. But yeah, here it is. It's got a white door, don't ask why, but that's the battery bay holder in there, and I'm assuming that plug right there, this one's Samsung. I'm guessing it's just updated, but that's the battery. There's a battery, there's an aerial, that battery goes in here, and this is the actual giant remote. That's the screen right there. These buttons do something, but you can't standard non-sticks, switches, buttons, got some buttons there, and aerial holes. So yeah, that's that. I am just gonna take this over the field, and I did test it, and I want to wait for you guys to see it. And got some spare propellers. Okay, so we've got our remote, batteries, one aerial, I believe the other one's disappeared, our drone, and our AirPods. And to be fair, it looks a very nice day. So can't wait to take this over the field and fly it. First we have to bike it, so see you in a couple of minutes. So this is enough like my location. So yeah, you got my bike, my bag, tripod, phone, caps, remote, and the drone. I'm going to connect one of these to the drone, and hopefully that I can start flying it. I'm not going to go too far, because last time I went too far with it, I lost it, and I was running around the field for like past half an hour trying to find it because the battery dropped. The battery ran out, and then I lost my air. Yeah, I did buy this like a couple of months ago, but don't ask. But I just gave up with it because I lost the aerial and I had no video feed, so I was stuck with that. But I'm not going to go too far with it. I'm just going to test it out, but I want to see what I can get some lovely view for you guys. So I'm going to hook this up now. Battery just goes in there, then it just legit clips in, and we'll have a blue light to indicate that we do have power. Then the rest of the LEDs would come on and start flashing to indicate that it needs to find a signal. Gonna turn on the remote. Okay, so I think it's found its signal. Yeah, it's found it. It says calibration compass 1. Yeah, calibration compass 1. So basically all I have to do is just spin it that way till it says calibration compass 2. It's for the GPS calibration. Yeah, it says calibration compass 2. So basically I'll just have to spin it in this direction to instead. So this drone does have a return to home function, which is really sick, and it has its GPS. But I can fly without GPS, but GPS is so much easier to control. I'm gonna have a go at trying to fly and hope you guys enjoy. Flip the switch to GPS. This is a switch right here for GPS, and that switch is to return to home. And I have it does say 6 on 6 of the remote, and the drone, I believe that's what I need to start this thing up. So let's start it. Someone's having a fire. Okay, so apparently the drone's losing its connection, even though it's going halfway downhill, which should not really happen, honestly. Okay, so I think I'm gonna fly it over there rather than set over here. Uh-oh, what the hell? Okay, so I lost my drone. It fell in the tree and it fell down behind, honestly, there somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna try and find it, and hopefully I can find it again. Okay, so it ain't gone far. I'm gonna put it in time lapse so you can find it. Okay, so I found it, and it apparently landed in a thorny bush. I need a new drone. Once I get enough money, I'm gonna buy a drone, I think. I have no idea if you can see the drone or not. Over here, for remote, the drone, whoa. I just need a better drone, basically. Maybe the DJI Mavic Air, maybe. Off you pop, guy, come on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pack it up here because I'm running out of batteries and I'm gonna lose the drone again, and for this row I won't be able to find it. But maybe one more round the field, maybe. Okay, so the drone's shaking like this. The drone's shaking, I don't know why. So
apparently the drone's shaking by itself, like side to side. I don't really know, but it's shaking itself. So I don't know if one of the motors gone in the drone, because this one don't really want to spin at all, but I don't know. And it's doing its own things, like it's turning, it's going wherever it wants to go, and I don't know how to fix it. So I think I'm just gonna go home because this battery's dead and charge up all the batteries and see if I can do it tomorrow.
So alright guys, it is a week later. It's a week later because due to rain, and it's been raining here for the past week. Well, it's been like on and off, but it's been raining, and when the days were sunny, the batteries was not charged in my drone, so I had to. But today it was quite sunny, and I thought about taking out my drone. But then when I set one foot outside the door, it started to rain. So I was like, what are you doing, weather? You know, come on. So I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I will try and put in some old footage from when I flew my drone over the park. And the videos was okay if I remember correctly, but yeah, I'll put in some old footage of the drone, and yeah, and I hope you enjoy, and I'm Jonesy and I'm out.